There's something about the smell of sambar simmering on the stove that just feels like home. Today, making idli sambar from scratch, start to finish. It begins with two simple lentils, moong dal and toor dal, soaked for about 30 minutes, just enough to soften them before cooking. Into the pressure cooker they go for 3 to 4 whistles until they turn soft and creamy. Once the pressure releases, this is what perfectly cooked dal looks like, the base of everything about to be built. Now for the part that fills the kitchen with flavor. Oil and a little ghee heating up in the pan. Mustard seeds go in first, crackling as they hit the hot oil. Then cumin seeds, right behind them. A handful of curry leaves, a pinch of hing, and a couple of dried red chilies. This is where the aroma really starts to come alive. Onions come in next, cooked gently until they turn soft and golden. A little turmeric for color. Then tomatoes, cooked until they're soft. Now tamarind water. This is what gives sambar its signature tang. Let it simmer for a few minutes so the flavors come together. Next, the cooked dal goes in, and everything gets mixed until it's one smooth, comforting base. Salt to taste. And a touch of jaggery, just enough to round out the tang with a hint of sweetness. In a separate bowl, sambar powder mixed with coconut and a little water into a smooth paste. This is what ties every flavor together. Once that goes into the pot, water is added to reach the consistency preferred. Some prefer it thick, some like it a little thinner. Either way works. Let it come to one gentle boil since everything inside is already cooked. It doesn't take long from here. A final sprinkle of fresh coriander, and it's done. This is what real homemade idli sambar looks like. Soft idlis, soaked in warm, tangy sambar. One bite, and it's easy to understand why this dish has stayed a favorite for generations. If this recipe was enjoyed, subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who'd love it too.